So we came to a pretty sweet spot. I'm just gonna park right here. She's looking pretty snowy and dirty. So here we have the 3 cars. We're gonna do a little bonfire here. But this is home for tonight. The boys are getting ready. Their beddings. Should be a nice comfortable night. We got first setup. Dimitri's, Andres, boys getting comfortable. And then still need to break out the sleeping bag, but pillows, good old mattress. Demetrius DeMarcus the third cuts up the wood. We shall start preparing pork sliders, pulled pork sliders on this awesome table. Beautiful sounds. Beautiful sounds. Now getting some bread toasted. Got some guacamole and some eggs. Gonna make some avocado toast with sunny side egg and cheese. Boiling hot water. Warming up some mac and cheese from yesterday. Very good stuff. Feeling a few drops of rain, but forecast is saying it pushing all the way till 1. Got the French toast ready. French toast. Avocado toast. Prepping the second meal right there. Fire going. This is nice. When you have pour over in the middle of the forest. GSI, I think pretty works. Works pretty good. We got some taters on there now. The boys are getting fed. Oh, that's nice. We're currently out going for a little hike. The rain subsided a little bit, so we're able to get out